Hello, friends. In this video, I will guide you through how to start using Notion Mail by opening your web browser and going to Notion Mail. Make sure your browser is up to date and you have a stable internet connection login to your Notion account. Click Get Started with Notion Mail to begin the setup process. Choose your email provider. Select the provider that matches the inbox you want to connect. Allow the required permissions review and confirm the permissions to continue. Once permissions are approved, Notion Mail will begin syncing your inbox. The first sync may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your mailbox and your internet speed. Keep the tab open and avoid refreshing the page while the sync is in progress. When the sync is complete, you can start viewing and managing your emails inside Notion Mail. Your messages will appear in a clean, organized list. Click on any email to read it. Use search to find specific messages and apply filters to focus on what matters most. To keep your workflow organized, archive or mark emails as done. When you're finished with them, and star or pin important conversations so you can easily come back to them later. Thank you for watching. Quick tweak.